Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have brought you the recipe of street style masala dosa. So let's get started. Here I took a bowl. I am adding 1 cup of rice in it, 1/4 cup of urdu dal, 1/4 cup of chana dal, 1 teaspoon less than 1/4 cup tapioca sago, that is sabudana, and 1 teaspoon methi dana or fenugreek seeds. Now we will wash them for 5 to 6 times until the water is clear and transparent. After washing for 5 to 6 times, the water is clean and transparent. Now we will soak them for 4 hours. Now after 4 hours you can see I have took the water out. Now we will add some cold water and grind them into fine paste. Now I have grinded them into a fine paste. You can see it has pouring consistency. Now I am adding half cup of suji in it and half cup of gram flour or besan. We will mix them both in this batter so that the batter becomes a lump-free ribbon consistency batter. Now you can see I mixed it well and it has ribbon consistency, it is also lump-free. Now here I have heated a pan on low to medium flame with some oil greased. Now I am adding the dosa batter over it and making the dosa. Now we will cook it on low to medium flame. So after our dosa has changed some color, I am brushing some oil over it. Now we will cook it like this, moving the pan towards all the sides on the flame. By moving like this, the pan is equally heated from all the sides and also from the center. Now for masala dosa, you can add potato stuffing too, but I am adding here 1 teaspoon of Schezwan sauce, we will spread it like this nicely. And now comes the finely chopped onion. Our dosa is cooked well. Now we will scrape it from our tawa. Now I have served our dosa. You can see how much crispy it looks. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.